little homemade tool we made. We got a little piece of pipe and cut a slit in it. So when we tighten the seats down, it goes right over the wing nut. You can make your seats nice and tight so you don't slide around when you're out in the John boat.
Put a sticker on there.
It's all in the water, right?
I saw those when we were at the shore. I think most of it's like at the edge.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if they're gonna come out far into the water.
Yeah, we'll check them out. Oh yeah, turtle just popped up. I think it's snapping. See his head straight ahead? Yeah, he's very big. He's out in the middle. There must be fish out there he's feeding on. Box turtle.